Hey guys, today I have a big problem with my Roomba. It's connected, but for some reason in the home page it's saying not connected. Let me show you a quick show. So see, look, it's connecting. I'm literally right next to my Roomba. It still shows the percentage. When I try to vacuum, it says error, something went wrong, please try again. When I go down to robot settings, it'll make a sound. Hear this. Not sure if you could hear that, but I did press it. And bruh, even if I put it in charge, it still shows the charge that the charges work. And it says it even like it's connected. I need help. I need some recommendations. If you could help me fix this, I would need some recommendations. See, I tried to I did both of them. First, I did re-add. I had to wait. Yeah, I did re-add. Then I pressed reboot. I'm not sure now. It's not worth my time. And I tried to watch YouTube tutorials like how to fix It's Not Working 2022, and it's like this. I watched like OMG blah blah blah. There is no E6 that will help me, so please help. Even when it tries to connect Roomba, anyone, an IT service, please do some recommendations. Thank you guys for your support.